Before we knew they were intelligent, goldfish were a nightmare for zoos. Did you know these popular pets often turn on each other? Today, we reveal the shocking truth about their aggressive nature. For decades, zoos treated goldfish as harmless decorations. However, recent observations show that when stressed, these fish exhibit severe cannibalistic behavior, specifically targeting younger or smaller tank mates for survival. The primary trigger is extreme overcrowding. When fish are crammed into small spaces, they feel constant threat and compete fiercely for limited resources, leading to a chaotic environment where aggression becomes the only language. This isn't unique to goldfish, it is a survival instinct seen in nature. Just like pigs or hedgehogs sometimes eat their young, certain species resort to infanticide and cannibalism when resources are scarce or stress levels skyrocket. But how does a fish decide who to attack? It's often about defensive aggression. If one goldfish feels threatened by tank mates or sudden changes in dynamics, it will react violently to protect its own space. You might notice a goldfish hiding in the corner. This is rarely shyness. It is a desperate attempt to avoid aggression from other aggressive fish. It signals that the tank dynamics have shifted dangerously. In conclusion, what looks like a peaceful pond is often a high-stress battlefield. Understanding that overcrowding leads to disaster helps us see goldfish not as toys but as complex animals, needing proper space. Now you know the hidden dangers of keeping fish in small groups. What other animal behaviors surprise you? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into nature's secrets.